In today's video, I bought a new tire and spent way too much money and installed it on the go-kart. I found a hoe, and then we went for a ride, and some person in a Golf GTI, I think, gave me a thumbs up. And I cleaned up a bit. So, let's get right into it. With the new tire that will be somewhere right in this area. Alright, so here on my right is the new tire, and then the old tire you can see here is just destroyed. Like, look at that, it's ripped. Like, that's like 50 years old or more. But yeah, so the new one, it is a turf tire. I spent like $45 on it, so that's a bit much, but I know I will be running a slick and a turf, so we'll see how it goes. There, the tire's on. Now we'll go pump it up with air. There it is. There. Put a bit more air in it. Looks good. It fits the rim a little bit better. Looks good. Alright, let's put it on. Should be good. So that's what this one looks like. And then the slick over here. And then from the top angle. Alright, I think we're ready. Rupp wearing the Crocs, of course. So we're going to try out this tire. It's a $45 tire, so that's expensive. I don't know why I paid that much, but whatever. We shall try it. Well, it still does that. It does that. Ah, there's a wagon there. Let me know if you like the camera mount up high. We might run it like that for a while.
100% off-road.
If the GoPro could see through their 50% window tint, you'd be able to see the passenger was filming me with their phone and the driver was giving me a thumbs up, so that's why I give him a thumbs up. So, yeah.
Those people liked it.
Leave a comment if that was you.
Have to be careful about that. I'd say that it works. Works better than having a flat tire. Oh look, my phone conveniently placed. I think we want to draw with blue. Then we'll erase. Then we'll write subscribe. I don't know how to spell subscribe, but whatever. Oh, my air intake's sliding. That's why I put this zip tie there. Might have to figure out a better idea for that. But yeah, it works. Works pretty good. There is grass there. But yeah, this tire, pretty good. Good traction. Can't really tell a difference. It's a bit more grippy, but let me put my phone in the cargo pocket so it doesn't fall out. Ah, water! Oh! Look at all the grass! Oh, hopefully you're not all wet there. Oh, my phone has made its way out of the pocket again. Ah, I just totally hit that. Well, I might have done that. The nature of the beast, you may say. There, nothing ever happened. Shh. See if we can do a wheelie here. A little bit, it hurts the back. No suspension.
About it. So if you enjoyed the go-kart video, hit like and leave a comment if you have anything to talk about, if you want to say something, and then that's about it. So I guess I'm gonna end this, so I'll just click the button. Ready?